An illegal cough syrup ring is under investigation, spanning multiple states, including Tennessee. Today, 3 people are charged in the efforts. Peyton Kennedy is live in Nashville now to explain this operation and why cough syrup has drug investigators so concerned.
Well, Nikki, according to officials, people are coming from Illinois and Tennessee and traveling to Kentucky to pass along forged prescriptions. We're told they're mainly traveling on I-65 to Bowling Green, attempting to fill fake orders for the cough medicine promethazine. It's a prescription antihistamine with a known potential for abuse, especially when it's combined with substances like codeine or alcohol. Its misuse may be more common among young people due to the spread of popular music and social media glamorizing its use. So far, 3 arrests have been made in this ring, including 21-year-old Dominic Escamilla, 26-year-old Dion Fisher, and 42-year-old Daniel James Waters. The director of the Bowling Green Warren County Drug Task Force says they're mainly tipped off by local pharmacies, but says there's more dots to connect here.
We do think there's a bigger picture here, which we're investigating. We've been in touch with the Knoxville Police HIDTA group since there's the Knoxville connection. We're also reaching out to the Chicago HIDTA and see what we can learn there. But this is a developing investigation. I think there's probably a much larger picture here, and we'll see how far we with our partners are able to take that case.
He says their work is never done as more drugs work their way into popularity, but they are working with partners near and far to catch and control these illegal drugs. Live in Nashville, Peyton Kennedy, News 2.